This passenger side's not a charge door, it's a fake charge door. So in order to do this, there's 2 push clips, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. The bottom ones you don't have to release, you just have to release the top. So you just reach your hand down in here through here and you'll feel those top, and you depress each one of these little retention plastic clips, tilt it out a little ways and then just jiggle up and down. So these are the 2 retention clips. That's all there is to taking out the passenger side fake charge door.
Could I add a charge port on the other side of the truck? So number one, could you add another CCS charge port to the other side of the truck? Let's start with that. The answer to that is yes. You could add a second charge port in CCS to the other side of the truck. Would it be feasible? Would it be reliable? Or would it be worth doing? Feasibility, I think it's going to be very expensive. You're going to have the wiring harness that runs to the CCS connector, and it's going to have to be extended. I think there would be a way with a lot of engineering work to get a CCS connector on the passenger side, but to be honest, then you have to have some interlocks between the two, because if you have 2 CCS connectors and you tried to connect both of them, then you're getting double the power and it would be a major problem. So Ford didn't do this for a reason, because it's dangerous. It's not feasible. Can it be done? I'm sure it can be done. If the electrical engineers at Ford or some of the electrical engineers out in the open market could figure out how to tie into the system where the appropriate interlocks were happening, you could probably do this. But I'm going to say that to answer the question directly, can you put a NACS connector in the passenger side fender so you could have CCS on one and NACS on the other? No. It's not going to be feasible. You're probably never going to see that. What you're going to see is if Ford does decide to put both here so you could use both, then you would be able to run that way. I think what's realistically going to happen, and this is just my total guess, you'll see the CCS connector go away and you'll have an adapter if you want to run CCS charging. No different than what the Tesla drivers do now. They have a CCS to NACS adapter. I think that's really more feasible. And from an engineering standpoint, from a cost standpoint, you're going to have double the cost in all these systems. You're going to have more and more interlocks, more electrical modules, more software. And heavens knows we don't need more cost in an EV right now. I don't think that you're going to see a NACS connector on one side and a CCS connector on the driver's side.